I was watching them share about how people could lose weight and stuff. I was like, yeah, good for them. You know, I didn't doubt the product. I doubted the product would work for me because I guess I'm special that way. And my friend Lori was posting, and I'm watching, and finally she posted this little thing about how everybody can afford Thrive. You know, if you spend money on your hair and your nails and purses, then you can spend money on your health. And I decided to prove her wrong. Her and Jennifer decided to send me 2 weeks of Thrive. That day, I actually had gone Christmas shopping with my son and my ex-mother-in-law, and I hate shopping. And yet I went the whole day in a pretty good mood. And I realized when we got home that I was not as tired as I normally was. I wake up and within the first couple of minutes, I'm awake and it's like clear and I'm happy and my son's still cranky and it's like opposite now. It's just been the best experience ever, and I just kept sharing. I got my mom on it, and I've gotten so many friends and family that are doing this, and just I couldn't stop.